Most people fail to make money with AI because they overcomplicate the process and execute the right steps in the wrong order. To avoid that trap, grab a pen and paper or open a blank document right now. We are going to build your customized 4-step AI business action plan together as we go through this video. Before we hit step 1, write down these 3 prerequisites. You need an active social media profile, an account on a freelance marketplace like Upwork, and a willingness to learn on the job. Executing the next 4 phases in this specific chronological order creates the foundation needed to move from 0 to $1 million run rate. Step 1 is learning by earning. The goal here is to stop passively consuming content and leave the cycle of endless tutorials. On your action plan, write down a target for your first micro project. This marks your shift from a consumer to an active practitioner. You are going to link your learning to a paid gig. The fastest way to secure that first gig is by tapping into your warm network. This means directly messaging your friends, family, and ex-colleagues. You just need to announce what you are learning. Send a simple message letting them know you are starting to offer AI consulting services, and ask if they know anyone who needs help streamlining their workflow. If your network is quiet, head over to your freelance marketplace account. You can actively search and apply for entry-level gigs targeting the exact terms AI consulting or AI automation. Do not skip ahead. Securing this initial paid micro project is a mandatory checkpoint. You have to ensure you are actually getting paid to learn before moving forward. Now that you have that first project, we move to step 2, building a personal brand. This shifts your focus to the external documentation of your work. Look at your action plan and write down one single social media platform. This will serve as your documentation hub. You are going to use the document, don't create framework. You do not need highly polished videos. Just post your daily learnings, the workflow struggles you encounter, and any new tools you discover while working on your paid project. These posts should be entirely raw and process-oriented. Share the specific error message you finally bypassed. Post a screenshot of a cool new AI automation you just tried out, or write a short update celebrating a small client win. Sharing everything you struggle with establishes you as a relatable, active practitioner, rather than an aloof, theoretical guru. This daily habit creates a public record that functions as an inbound lead generation asset. You are laying the necessary groundwork for future scale. Step 3 is the fun part. This is the expansion phase, a period of experimentation across diverse income streams. Write down 3 distinct monetization channels to test. Options include AI consulting, paid speaking, building custom AI automations, sponsorships, or running a paid community. But you need to watch out for the primary failure point in this step. It is highly tempting to get stuck juggling too many mediocre projects simultaneously just because the opportunities are there. Staying in this expansion phase permanently creates a hard revenue ceiling. Experimentation is only a temporary tool to find the single best path, not a long-term business model. That brings us to step 4, which requires ruthless reduction. This is the moment you pivot from broad expansion to intense, singular focus. Look at the 3 channels you wrote down. Circle the single most profitable and enjoyable channel on your list and cross out all the others. You have to execute this harshly. This means committing to one path, formally firing clients, and shutting down any projects that do not perfectly align with your one chosen channel. Directing 100% of your resources to that winning channel provides the time and energy required to build and fulfill a high-ticket AI offer. By concentrating your efforts on one scalable offer rather than 5 small ones, you can finally build the systems and team needed to reach those higher revenue targets. Now, take a look at the physical document you just built. You now possess exact marching orders. You have a target for your first paid gig, a designated content platform to build your brand, a list of experimental tests, and the ultimate scaling directive to focus your business. If you want the comprehensive step-by-step playbook where I break down every single phase of this timeline in microscopic detail, I have it ready to send to you. Just hit follow on this channel and comment the word blueprints, and I will send the playbook directly to your DMs.